Ayan. Ayan yung mga dogs namin. Ito yung pinakamakulit sa lahat. Pero siya yung very clever. Siya yung matalino sa kanila. Ayan. Sila, si Gera. Ayan, si Gera. Si Gera annoying. Gera's annoying. But she's very clever. Among them, she's very clever. Sila naman, si Ruby at Kubi, yung mas maliit, si Kobe, ay Kroby. Yan sila. Yan, si Ruby at Kubi. Gira, you always barking, you know? You know you are always barking. Very annoying. You know? You know that? You really know. But you're still barking. What you want? You want to eat? What you want? You want cuddle? No, I don't want to cuddle you. Yung dalawa naman, oh. Ayan, ako. Kobe bite, Roby. Oh! Don't jump me. Don't jump on me. Don't jump on me, Gera. Si Juicy, gutom na siya. Juicy, are you hungry now? You want now to eat? Okay, let's go. Let's go, Sabaki. Let's go, Sabaki. Hala naman, ito, ano ba? Kubi, what's wrong? Kubi lesbian. Si Kubi is lesbian. Ito yan, si Kubi yan. Si lesbian. Si lesbiana. 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 She's girl, but she looks like a boy. So, she's lesbian. Some like Sonia. Okay, let's go. Ito yung kainan nila. Dito ang kwarto nila. Itong dalawang malalaki. Yung maliliit dun sa kabila. Dun sa my hallway. O, dito sila. So, I will feed them. I will feed them. So, I will prepare their food. I will prepare their food. Yes, you licking my leg? You licking my leg? Okay. Okay, wait. I will prepare your food. Okay. Paano ba? I-turn natin siya. Ayan, switch ko muna yung coffee maker. Para mamaya at magtimpla ko ng ating kape. Lagyan ko ng tubig ang kanilang bowl. So, ganito ang aking routine. Routine. Every morning na papasok ako dito sa work ko ay ito, magpapakain muna ako ng aso. Before, I'm not doing this, but when I was long time now, and I'm the one now to do all this. I'm now the one to feed them. But I'm so happy for doing this. Yung nadagdagan ng aking trabaho, pero enjoy naman ako sa ginagawa kong pag-feed sa kanila dahil natutuwa akong bigyan sila ng pagkain. Napamahal na ako sa kanila, di ba? Di ba, Gera? Di ba, Gera? Wait. I need 2 kilo. Then, the small dog. I give only for Ruby, just only 80. 80. Yes, just only 80 grams. So, for Ruby a meat, I'll give only 130. But for now, because there is no meat, so I will give them Kobe is 150 and then Ruby is 80. But if there is no meat, I will give only 70 grams. So for the big dogs is the big dogs are I give for 1 cup more, 1 cup for Vera. 1 cup for more, one cup more for I 1 and less half. Ooh, maybe 1 1/3 like that. This is for juicy. Same. 1 cup and a little bit more. Less half. Yes, less half. Okay. Eat. So Ruby is well done. Ruby well done. Siya yung pinakamauna sa kanila, pinakamabilis sa kanila na kumain. Kaya yan, di ba? Just only a minutes or seconds. Only a second, she's eat all her food. And Gera is the last one. She's very slow to eat. Kobe and Gera, the annoying dog, and the monster dog. The monster dog and the annoying dog. Talaga, nakakainis minsan. Sabi nila amo ko na, oo, siya yung pinakamatalino sa kanila kasi nakakaintindi na talaga siya. Pero siya yung yung gusto niya lagi na papansinin mo, ganun. Tahol siya ng tahol, parang batang, gumaganon-ganon siya eh. Kapag may tumatawag sa akin, tinatanong nila kung may bata. Wala kaming bata. So, yan sila. Now, I will prepare my breakfast. Mag-prepare na ako ng aking breakfast. Breakfast. Ako lang mag-isa.